Alright guys, we got some stuff in the mail to check out. And this actually we're going to look at in a minute. I've been waiting on this. But I want to do an unboxing actually. And I believe it's the WPL, what this thing is. And it's really, really cheap. And so far from what I see, just about everybody on the internet's bought one and then they upgrade it, so pretty cool. But I figured I'd do a little unboxing for y'all. I know there's probably 100 of them out there, but I haven't done one, so anyway, we'll just get right into it. So, what? My wife, sorry. Anyway, that's it. And it is this one right here. I can see that. I know that the steering is crappy, but that's okay, because I got a servo for that. Anyway. Yeah, I just wanted another little cheap crawler that I could play with while it was raining. And not have to worry about breaking stuff in my house. So I thought this little thing might be pretty cool. So, as y'all have all seen, here's the little controller. Slide out the back, or actually undo the screws, slide out the back, put the batteries in. Looks like it just has on and off, 2.4 gig. And here's the truck. Pretty cool scale detail. You know, I know it's not the toughest thing, but it will work for what I got planned. So, yeah, there's the infamous steering. Anyway, I got to do a little bit of assembly. I'm not going to do a build with y'all because y'all have seen several of the builds, but it does have the metal chassis. Nice little tires. I do believe they'll work out pretty good for what I'm going to do. I'll probably make some kind of little winch or something to put on here, just, you know, for scale purposes. Or if they sell them, I might buy one. So, yep, not too bad. A little springy. Yeah. Alright, then of course, y'all have seen all the little tools and pieces and accessories. Little D-rings to clip on. Some stickers. And then it comes with this little 6-volt 700 milliamp battery. It is a NiCad NICD. It's not a LiPo. And then you have the battery cover and the charger, which I guess I'll keep it and use it. I do on my other little 7.4. So anyway, I do believe you got to unscrew some stuff to look at the electronics and all that. And y'all seen all that, so I won't bore y'all with the details. But what I did think was pretty cool is where are we at? Right here. Looks like I have more axles. All metal gears in here. I'm assuming they had metal gears in there also, but plastic housings. But yeah, so if anything does happen, I got backup. But anyway, I thought y'all might want to see that. You've probably seen it 100 times, but my first time. Anyway, give me a like, dislike, tell me what you think. Hit the bell button, subscribe, and we'll see y'all next time.